That is where the world is going, where people will be able to earn from where they are living, from Karachuonyo, from Huisero, where I come from, and from other places, from Coast, from Kilifi, and from other places, simply because now you would have, this one opens the world and the young men to the world markets of business. And we want to thank you for that and appeal to you, Excellency. We have refurbished Tomboya Labour College at a tune of 500 million Kenya shillings without borrowing, coming from workers alone. And I want people who are making noise to visit Tomboya Labour College, Kisumu. It's more than any known university in this country today. We are asking you kindly, Your Excellency, to support our efforts on that college and come and launch it as an IT center for our country, where we'll be able to train both workers, employers, and first-line managers from every farm that we deal with, and also from parastatals, and your government as well can use that institution. Your Excellency, you appointed me on Social Health Insurance Authority, SHIA. And we are migrating to this new authority from National Hospital Insurance Fund. We support you very much on this. And more so, the people you appointed on this SHIA board are capable people who are committed, Your Excellency, to help you, including the PS Health, including the current acting CEO, and more so the chairman, Dr. Luenyi. But I want to appeal to you, Your Excellency. You need to come in and assist us to make sure that infrastructure is within the Ministry of Health, is dealt with quickly, so that we can be within framework of making sure that as we start registration, everything is in order and everything is going on as planned. But we will support you in this area. Some of us, where you are either, as I'm telling you, it has capable members of the board that I've never seen in another board. People who are concerned, Your Excellency, to support you. Only little bit extend your hand in support of what they are trying to come up with. On the issue of housing, you remember you did lectures about this when last year during Labor Day, and you convinced us as workers that we must support you. And when I asked your ministry, which is in charge, whether workers will have an opportunity to be on that board, and after consultation with their office, they are allowed us, as per the current act, to appoint one of us on that particular board. The purpose is we as workers will support it financially. But the eye on that board also, when there will be allotment, because we have some shop stewards and workers who have even nowhere to sleep, they will have an opportunity to be housed in this new venture that you have started. And it is not only in Africa. Algeria, they did it. Egypt, they did it. And so many other African countries, they did it. And as I've said, the only problem with our country, Your Excellency, is that we were not used to paying taxes. And when you said everybody should pay tax, it became as an alien issue in this country. Because a normal Kenyan would like to eat without working, would like to make money without earning. And this is where the problem is. I want to end there, Your Excellency. I don't want to tire you. But the last area I want to ask you, because I said I will recognize all good things you have done for workers of this country, and you will continue doing these things. And next year we will be with you, and other years to come, and we will give you support as a pressure group. And when we are called to kiitwa tutaitika sisi. Research yetu inatuambia, Your Excellency, but I don't know what is in your pocket. Kama unaweza kunja macho, because Jacqueline said, oh, general wage increase, if that is employer now, it's not anchored on any law. We must have wages council, sit and discuss and see how this general wage works. Let me remind my sister here, my twin sister. In 1972, when our economy was not performing, we were doing badly. The late president, the founding father of this nation, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, announced general wage increase at that time of 15%. You can imagine, to everybody. And he also asked employers to increase their workforce by 10% in order to alleviate or to reduce unemployment in our country. Which law was it angered to? Anything that comes from the mouth of the president, let me tell you, people, anything that the president akikusalamia jambo, that is law. That is law. Usifikirie utaenda kutafuta law ingine pale ingine. So wacha tupeleke president pole pole na tumwangalie, tumchunge na yeye atatuchunga. Na tunaomba yeye atupatie 22.5% or whatever he has put in his pockets. Ama tena nimesema vibaya? Nikiomba hiyo nimesema vibaya?